Hello everybody. I'm going to show you today how to make the linkage arm. So we're going to start off with a big rectangle, and then we're going to put two circles on each end. We'll extrude it out, then we'll cut out these little holes. And I'm going to use that with just a circle pattern because they're just holes that go all the way through. Start a sketch. I need to first choose the correct plane. There's really no wrong way because we can always edit that later. But I'm going to choose the YZ plane so I'm in the correct orientation in the beginning. Starting off with a rectangle. I'm going to type in my dimensions as I go, so I'm going to have a 0.25 height, 3.5 width. Now I need to make some circles on each end. And for me, it'll snap right to that middle on this right edge, which is where I want it to be. But just in case you guys have issues, I'm going to do a general circle and then dimension it to where it needs to be. That way I'm guaranteed to get that right on this side. My outer, they provide me the radius of this larger outer circle here, and it's 0.1875. Multiplying that by 2 gives me the diameter, which is how Inventor wants circles. So I have that on there. Now I'm going to dimension from this center, to this line, and I want that to be a 0. I want it to touch that line. Now I have to make sure it's centered, so from the center of that circle down, I want that to be half of my height. My height is 0.25, so I divide that by 2, and now it's centered up and down. Do the same thing on my other side, except I'm going to let it pick my middle for me. 0.1875 times 2. Look at that. Alright, now I'm going to need to extrude it, and I need to choose all of these. I can pick all of these sketches all at once, so I only have to extrude that one time. And it is only 1/8 of an inch thick. Alright, so there's that part. Now I just need to cut out the hole in each end. So I'm going to start a sketch on this face, put a circle on it. I'm just going to do a general circle and make sure that it is dimensioned into the middle. Alright, so 0.128. Then I'm going to dimension this from the center here. And to be in the middle, I have to be half of the rectangle there, half the rectangle, so 0.125. And I want to be 0 away on this side. Do the same thing on my other side. A circle. And it'll actually let me pick up off my other one the right height at least. It won't let me pick the right left and right. And again, 128 is my radius or diameter. And now I have to dimension between them. So from here, I don't want to do circles. I want to dimension from the center of this side to my origin. I want that to be 3.5 exactly. So I was just a smidge off there. Extrude both of these circles, cuts all the way through, and done. There we are. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. Thanks for watching, folks. Make sure you like the video. If you have any comments, please put those below. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Mr. Hartzler and Twitter at Mr. Hartzler Math. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.